Do you really want to change your trading game? Then you have to learn about order block. Of course, you're on the right channel. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on order blocks. In this video, we're going to uncover the concept of order blocks and show you how they can be a game changer in your trading. Whether you're looking to improve your entries, align with institutional move, or just take your strategy to the next level, this guide has everything you need. So let's dive in. What will be covered in this video: a clear understanding of what order blocks are and how to identify and interpret them on a chart. So, what are order blocks? Order blocks are clusters of orders that create a consolidation or reversal zone in the market. These zones represent areas where institutional traders accumulate, buy, or sell large volumes of assets. They often form before a strong price move, making them key areas to watch for trade setups. We have two types of order blocks: the bullish order block and the bearish order block. The bullish order block. This occurs when institutional traders are accumulating buy orders. It often appears at the bottom of a downtrend, just before the price reverses and moves up. Or you can simply say is the last down close candle before the bullish move. Most of the times, the market retreats back to this level to take orders and move to the upside. The bearish order block. This forms when large sell orders are placed by institutions, often at the top of an uptrend, leading to reversal to the downside. As you can see, it's a last up close candle before the bearish move, and most of the times the market retreats back to this level to take orders from the institutions. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna be walking you guys through on how to spot these order blocks on the chart real time. So let's dive in. Yo guys, just as I said earlier, the bullish order block or the bearish order block are the last up close candle or the last down close candle before the bullish or the bearish move. So I'm going to be outlining these zones for you guys to understand what I'm trying to teach you guys. So this is the last down close candle before this bullish move. You can see the market retreats back to this level before the movement to the upside. This is the last down close candle before this bullish move here. I can see the market retrace back to this level before the movement to the upside. This is the last down close candle before this bullish move here. You can see the market retrace back to this level, the main threshold, then move to the upside. So this is the last up close candle here, the last down close candle before this bullish move. So you can see the market was consolidating over here, and before it move up, then it retraces back to this same level to collect orders and move to the upside. So this is the last down close candle before this bullish move here. You see, the market retraced back to this level before the movement to the upside. After this market tapped into this fair value gap and the market broke its structure to the bearish side, I'm going to be outlining the bearish order block for you guys to understand. So this is the last up close candle before this bearish movement. You can see the market retrace back to this level before the movement to the downside. This is the last up close candle before this bearish move. You can see the market retrace back to this level. Also, this is the last up close candle before this bearish move, but most of the time the market don't retrace back to this level. So I'm not gonna skip that one. So this is the last up close candle before this bearish move. You can see the market retrace back to this level and move to the downside. This is the last up close candle before this bearish movement. You can see the market retrace back to this level. Last up close candle before this bearish move. You can see the market reacted. Market react on this zone here before this movement. So this is the last up close candle before this bearish move here. You can see the market retrace back to this level before they move to the downside. This is the last up close candle before this bearish move here. The market retrace back to this level before the movement to the downside. So guys, that's it. There's a say, practice make perfect. So you have to look for these other blocks on the chart, back test it before you can be able to use it real time. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe and comment. Have a nice day, guys.